Hi, hello, hey, welcome back to a skincare Sunday. So I am a nut job and I'm hopping in here to share skincare Sunday with you guys on this lovely Sunday because I need to take this makeup off and film another. So we're gonna just jump into this weekend's skincare Sunday. We're gonna be playing around with some Wander Beauty. That's why we have this purple backdrop that is super wrinkly as all hell. And we got some purple in the eye look here. I'm wearing a purple sweater. Well, anyways, we're gonna do it anyway. So if you'd like to see this one brand skincare routine and learn some more about Wander Beauty skincare products, then please keep on watching. Mwah. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking some of this makeup off. I actually did not think that I had enough products to share a one brand video with you, or like I wasn't able to do a one brand video for you guys with Wander Beauty. But I was actually very surprised at all of the products that I do have from Wander Beauty because they did release a lot of skincare over the past couple of months in 2019. So we're gonna start off with the Drift Away cleanser to get all of this makeup off of my face. I am actually going to dual cleanse, so I'm gonna cleanse my face first once to get the makeup off, and then one more time again to make sure that all of the makeup is off. People do this with their hair to make sure that their hair is clean, especially if they've gone a while without washing their face. Promise you I have not gone a while without washing my face, but just want to make sure that it is super clean so that we can move forward with the routine. Okay, well, this cleanser stings, so that's not fun. Jeez. Oh my god, ow. Oh, why does it happen to me? Okay then, well, I'm back. Not sure if it was the cleanser that had stung my eyes or maybe the makeup that I used that stung my eyes, so we'll probably give it another shot when I have no makeup on my face. But my face does feel clean and soft. It did take off a lot of the makeup that I did have on. Then we're gonna use the Brb Multi Polish. This is kind of like your gentle exfoliating scrub. We're just gonna take a little pea-sized amount and we're going to rub this all over our face to further clean our face, exfoliate it, smooth it, all the above. This like smells so good. And I like that it's like really, really small exfoliating little beads. I don't even want to call them beads, like it's just like a super small exfoliator, but it like does the job. So we have a couple of masks from Wander Beauty. I have 4 sitting in front of me. I'm going to use them all for you in kind of like a little bit of multi-masking. So first we have the Fast Lane Instant Facial. This is going to be your strongest mask out of all of them. I do advise you to make sure to try this one first before kind of really applying it because it is super, super strong. It has 10% AHA, 2% BHA, oh, that's in a different language. So it has 10% AHA and 2% BHA inside of this mask. And the recommended times to use this per week is only once. So of course, you guys, I try all these things for you just so that you don't have to put your skin through the shit. But for this specific video, I am kind of doing these in a routine, but I do not recommend using them in that way, especially with this AHA product. I wouldn't even use this the same day that you exfoliate because that is how strong it is. But it can be really good for your skin. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you another mask from Wander Beauty. So now we have the Liftoff Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is like your classic peel off mask right here, and it is such a pretty color, let me tell you. You can spot treat with this mask, so that's what I'm going to do. Since we're masking so much, I'm just gonna use this mask where I personally think I need it the most. Well, that was like almost our whole face. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry and then I will be back. The best part. finally got those masks over with, I am going to use the Extended Stay Hydrating Mask as well as the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You guys, this is what Wander Beauty is known for. They are amazing, these eye patches, and they came out with rose gold ones, and the rose gold ones are so pretty. So we're gonna use these together. I'm gonna put the eye masks on first, and then I'm gonna put the hydrating mask everywhere else so that we can kind of hydrate the skin after using those masks. So now that our face is all moisturized, we're gonna move on to the last two steps in the skincare routine. We're gonna be using the Dive In Moisturizer to moisturize and hydrate our face. And I love how this moisturizer feels. It almost feels like a gel. I don't know, I like that feel in a moisturizer, especially when I'm feeling super dry. And then last but not least, we have the Lip Retreat Oil to hydrate our lips. And you can use this as a color or just to hydrate your lips. This color is Skinny Dip. Alright guys, that's it for this skincare routine using Wander Beauty products. I definitely have to say the Baggage Claim eye masks are my absolute favorite from Wander Beauty. They just keep my under eyes super soft and smooth. They don't like ball up or anything like that, and they kind of stay in place as well. So definitely one of my top favorites, and Wander Beauty has a ton of really great masks. I feel like all of their skincare is really meant to travel with. Like all of the names just remind me of like, hey, put this on a plane. Not sure about the sizing for some of them for a plane, so check that before you take it through TSA. But that's all I have for today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one brand skincare routine using Wander Beauty products. Let me know what your favorite products are from Wander Beauty, and if there's any additional products that I may have missed that you really love as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all my other skincare Sundays and videos right here on the side. Love you guys. I will talk to you really soon. Bye.